I need a brush for this. Isn't working.
I just can't stop laughing.
Ah! No, Bradley!
Oh god. We're doing it out, Grandma.
Oh my god.
I just love this.
Hey guys, CB here once again, and this time I decided to switch it up and do a little makeup video because I'm bored. But this time it is feet cousin and burb. But I'm just gonna try and do my normal makeup routine and basically prove how much having a bird will impact your normal routine. It's pretty terrible. I have a mirror down here, so if I'm looking down, that's why. There we go. Now we have the bird. So first, I'm just gonna say right here, right now, that most of the products I have are e.l.f. products because I'm poor. Huh. We're poor people. And what I like about this primer is that it smells like a forest 24/7. Hi. Yes, hello. Who are you? Do I know you? Who are you? My bird's right here. But see, it's basically all e.l.f. A pre-soaked beauty blender is what I typically use, and I forgot. There we go. Ooh, it's a lot. It's funny because most of the time when I wear makeup, my friends are like, "You're really pale today. Are you okay?" Yeah, I'm fine.
Browlin's just chilling.
Browlin is just not giving a shit. Come over here. Here's my finger. The bird is right off screen. Basically beat the shit out of your face until you're a different color. Is that not how makeup works?
Sorry.
I could have sworn that was how makeup worked. Beat the shit out of your face until the color you want to achieve is there.
Is it dying right now?
Yes. That's what I'm aiming for. Am I pretty yet?
No, not that much.
When the makeup doesn't come out of your brush, yell at it. That usually works. No! Okay, let's blend these suckers. It's so powerful. That's not gonna work. Where are you going? Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where'd you come from, College? Eyebrows. I used to have an eyebrow pomade, but recently lost it because somebody's mother couldn't be responsible. So, that's lost. So now I'm just stuck to using a powder. It doesn't even really work. And I know it's probably wrong, but at this point, I don't care. Whatever just makes my eyebrows exist, it's good enough for me. Could you not? Here. Okay, you don't need to do that. Look, I have emotion on one side.
Guys, what's your YouTube channel?
That's your fault. No, you're knocking things off of the desk. Put on some some highlighter first, because you're a fancy woman and you deserve the best. My highlighter is in this little Too Faced palette by Hanaka Frudedeshimiyama, however you pronounce that. Hi, for you. And it's very, very, very nice. But I don't like it powdery, so I have a setting liquid that I put in it, and I use that. Because I don't like using things the way they should be used. Yes. Hello? So I just kind of put a couple drops into that. Take a brush and kind of mush it in there.
I don't want any. My phone's kind of sucks.
Your phone is shit.
It's an old Galaxy. Yes, we do.
I'm just using Beauty Blender because I wash things. And I'm gone again. Hi!
Hey, Kate, where are you? In the basement?
Yes. Sorry, I ran out of storage space. I had to upload all of it again. But, continuing on. Thank you, sunlight. Just embrace this. You see it? It's on my face. Okay. Moving on. Take a translucent powder because you've done all the creams on your face now. Now you need to mat them out. I had a translucent powder, but it was with my eyebrow pomade, so when my aunt lost it, I lost my translucent powder. But I have an old translucent powder that I stuck in a really big Tic Tacs container because I'm not here to waste. So just kind of...
I thought you had Tic Tacs for a moment.
No, just kind of rub that all over your face. Woo! Now that you have emotion, and you can prove to people how much you hate them, let's make our eyes big. And making them big starts... Oh, wait. I don't have a black mascara. What I'm going to use is a black eyeliner. First, we're going to line our eyes. For my main liner, I am using Tattoo Liner by Kat Von D because it's the only real makeup that I have. You want me to line your eyes too? That's as good as we're gonna get. Time for the fake lashes. I keep them in these little jewelry containers because my bird will eat them if I don't. See, he piques interest. But before I do that...
Wait, I know what to do.
No, you're fine, you're fine. I take a spoolie, my little spoolie, and I use this. I stick it in a vial of black e.l.f. liquid eyeliner. You know, these things, I like e.l.f. eyeliners because they're only like $2 and they're really good and durable apparently because that didn't break. So I just kind of put it on there.
This got long.
And then I take my little spoolie
Okay.
and I stick it in there. And then I hold it down and I shake it. Shake it, shake it, shake it. Ooh. Shake it like a Polaroid.
Can you please get off of me, sir? Thank you.
And then it's covered in ice and nice. Covered in ice. And put it on. Pretty pedantidomt. It's time for the fake lashes. So I have these fake lashes. Right? They're cute. They work. They look pretty natural. And they make me look great in pictures. I'm gonna glue things to my eye lamp. Next thing you want to do is your lips. Lips defines the entire makeup look. So you have to decide, do you want something dark, something nice, something subtle, something boom, pow, wham? Take some time, because you got to decide, and you have to decide right, and you won't want to mess up. So what I'm going to do, I have a lot of lip decisions. I'm going to do this cute little Ulta Beauty lip butter balm lip gloss, and it's kind of iridescent. You can't really tell. It's kind of iridescent, and it's really subtle, mostly because I'm going to be eating soon, and I don't want to have to touch things up. But there we go. Oh no, I keep dropping things. Take your hair down. Oh, he's tweeting. Oh, my baby. Take your hair down. Embrace it. Ow. It hurts. Put your part in.
Your bird's like, I thought he was gone.
My roots are here. They're loud and proud.
I think I should take the bird. Yeah,
We're good. My life isn't easy like this. There we go. Basic. He's angry at me. Perfect! Nature's fantastic! Oh, you know how hard it is to actually look at the camera and not just look literally anywhere. Why? Oh my god. Hey! I love the sunlight that automatically decides to go onto my face. As I decide to... God, I love nature! No, I'm using this towel.
I do like almost everything.